everybody, this is JacobViral. Today I got an SPL meter I'm going to be testing on my 418's 4th order build, finding out what it does on the glass, as well as some demo flex and other things to talk about for build update. Stay tuned, and if you haven't already, subscribe and check out a lot more build updates. Only one 8,000 watt amp. We're going to see what it meters today. Going to be a surprise because I've never done it as well, so it'll be new for you at the same time for me for the video. I have a January giveaway with SkyHigh. To enter, use discount code JacobViral at skyhighcardio.com for a chance to win this speaker swag package valued over $700. All details in description. Good luck and enjoy the video. Alright, so I appreciate everybody that went ahead and commented on the previous video about a week ago you saw on the SPL score you guessed on. If you haven't, go ahead and check that video out for a build update before this. Also, I appreciate everybody watching always and giving it a like. This is my build, not pretty by no means, but a single 8K at 1 ohm on 45 amp hour lithium, single 400 amp alternator in the front on 4 of the high Q18s and a 5:1 ratio fourth. So I'm about to find out what the actual SPL score is for the first time. I've never tested it. I'm about to find out my peak as well. If you hear some loud noise driving by, it's just vehicles. I have to be in an area that's able to handle the loud music for a short period of time. And anybody new watching, this isn't the prettiest build, but I really enjoy cardio, and I try to get as loud as I could with what I got. And I've made a lot of videos on my second channel, JacobViral 2. Link in the description if you want to kind of see a lot of why I am where I am, why I use the 3M tape, why I do the test I have, why I don't have a vehicle as pretty as it is, and I'm on a budget. So let me go ahead and get in here. If it looks like it's tight, it's because I push my seat up. Whenever my seat is up, my SPL score drops or rises as well. So what that means is my frequency might go up 2 hertz just because of my port being right where it is. Put that right there. So my port area is around 88 to 90%. With my seat all the way up, it doesn't block it much. So I'm gonna go ahead and get everything set up. I'm using an actual SPL meter. It's an SSA. I put a link in the description if you want to know where I got it from. Got to get everything turned on. So I'm guessing my peak, my last build, where I had twice as much power and a bigger motor 4 sub, was peaking at between 49 and 51 hertz. I like to stay below 50. So we'll find out today what my peak is, and we'll see what it meters, and give a shout out to the one that guessed closest. It might be more than one, we'll see. I'm really hoping for a 160. So I got the SSA meter here. Let me link it to the phone. All right, so what I do here, I like to talk while I do it so people can kind of understand what I'm doing. So I'm gonna be doing a sweep first. I have a Bluetooth device. I'm gonna be doing a sweep at low volume so I find out where I'm peaking at, and then I'm gonna burp 1 hertz above it, and that'll be my SPL score. I do 1 hertz above because for some reason my build always peaks a little louder. 1 to 2 hertz. All right, so I've got my SPL meter right here. Gonna go ahead and get my SPL meter hooked up to the glass, and I'm gonna go ahead and test it now. It's turned on. All right, so my first initial test will be at half volume, and we'll find out what it meters. So half volume. You put peak hold. App is really convenient, and this is within 1/10. The decibel meter is within 1/10. Now let's do a sweep real quick. So keep in mind, this is at half volume, and we'll see what my peak is before my full tilt burp. All right, so 59 or 49 hertz is my peak at low frequency. Not low frequency, at low volume. So now I'm gonna do a full tilt burp. I'm gonna go at 50 hertz. So my goal is to be below 50 hertz, so 49, 50 hertz or below for my peak, which is what I met with this, and still be able to play a bandwidth between 18 hertz and 34 hertz for my low end. And there's a lot of videos I'll show on that, and later in the end of the video, I'll play some lows so y'all can see that. But my high score, my higher SPL score will be on my high frequency. And I hope y'all like this video view. You can see me physically in the vehicle as I do it. All right, so let's go ahead and get this set up. We're about to find out what a full tilt burp is at 50 Hertz. My seat's all the way up. It looks crammed, but it's only during the test. Go ahead and rev the vehicle because I get a little more charge. All right, so this is gonna be here. I'm gonna do a sweep real quick. No, not a sweep, sorry, a burp at 50 Hertz. Here we go. All right, so that was 50 Hertz, a 160.89. Woo! So I broke a 160. A 160.89 is my initial first burp. This is with these subs, brand new. Haven't even had 10 minutes on them testing, as well as I haven't figured out my port area. I also don't know if my seat is in the right location, so I haven't done any testing, but if y'all can see that, it's a 160.89. So I'm gonna go ahead and look at who was the closest and give y'all a shout out right now. I appreciate y'all watching. Thank y'all for all the support, as well as checking out all my videos, and check it channel JacobViral 2 for a lot more build updates, and we're gonna find out the shout out now for who won that was closest, and congratulations. All right, so went ahead and checked out all y'all's comments. I really appreciate so much support. There's a lot of people that guessed really close and a lot of people that guessed way off, and just want to make sure everybody that guessed within a tenth, I wanted to do a shout out real quick for y'all. So here's the people that commented within a tenth of the dB of my 160.9 dB score. So 160.9 dB. Joe Bounds, what's up, man? You were the closest guess, right on, literally 0.01 dB from it, since it was a 60.89. Also, we got Pittsburgh 412, Stephen B, Mark Woods, Spunk Audio, Smucky, Aaron Perry, Dean Cesario, Amy Ann Neal, and the Insane Unknown. So sorry if I pronounced those wrong. Shout out to y'all. I really appreciate y'all guessing so close. A lot of y'all have been subscribers for a while as well, so I really appreciate y'all always watching and being subscribers, and good job with the guests. Really impressive to see a lot of people guessing, and there's not just this many people I just shouted out. Those were all within a tenth. There was at least 30 other people that were within a dB. So really good job, everybody that guessed closely. If you haven't seen that video, you got to check it out too. So now I'm going to stop talking. I'm going to get some music playing for the demo before it ends. Once again, I really appreciate all y'all for watching, guessing the SPL score, and seeing what the meter score was. I'm really excited to see that I broke a 160 brand new subs. This is awesome. So now let me go ahead and get some music on, and we'll do some tricks with it. See how it does. Show y'all some subflex as well as some lows and some high notes. Here we go. All right, so the first one's gonna be Go to the Club. If y'all can see that, it might be kind of hard to see. Here we go. So that's the first song. Let's play two more. Video doesn't do justice, maybe or not, but it's definitely musical, but it doesn't have, since it's such a high ratio fourth order, it's not going to be doing 160s anywhere other than where my peak is. So my high peak, it does a 60, but that's only on a burp. It's probably a 58, 59 at my high peak on music. And let's play my peak frequency now, real quick. So I really appreciate y'all again for watching and checking out the channel. And JacobViral 2, second channel, you got to watch if y'all want to see a lot more videos. You know what? Everybody sees high notes. I'm just going to play low notes. So this will be 26 hertz. Here we go. So that's definitely doing pretty good. Subs are brand new. Gotta let them loosen up some. Not clipping and I'm babying them. But I can do a shirt trick. Both windows were down. And I don't know what my frequency is as far as my peak on the low end. But my last one was a 25, 26 hertz. So it looks like it's doing it close to that as well. Subwoofers from Sound Savard, High Q are doing really good. The subs aren't broken in yet. But definitely playing the lows already. Really happy with them. So let's check out one more song and then I'll end it for the day. Stay tuned for more videos on JacobViral 2 as well. We'll play this one. This one's Put You On That. This one will be 49 to 51 hertz. So, made me sneeze a little bit. So that's a higher note, but that's my high peak, and around 49 to 51 hertz, 47 hertz, depending on if somebody's in the vehicle or not. Definitely impressed with this build. So my efficiency is where I wanted it to be. I broke a 160, and I can play, just one amplifier, an 8,000 watt amp on 418s, a lot of cone area, but I broke a 160. I exceeded my goal, and I'm happy with the power I'm running, and my budget is right around where I want it to be, and I'm really just stoked to see what this build will do in the next couple of months as I do more video testing, and a lot of videos on the second channel, JacobViral 2. I'm going to be doing some testing on this, so really appreciate it again. Stay tuned for more videos. Thank y'all for watching. Subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. And check out JacobViral 2 if you haven't. Link in the description. Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you, channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you, everybody, for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Sky High Cardio, XplicitAudio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.